Welcome to Stacey's house from the year 1924. In this rustic cottage style, materials such as the wood used in the furniture give meaning to the decoration. Here you can find vintage furniture in dark wood that is the key to achieving a successful cottage atmosphere, taking center stage in each setting. Materials of cottage style. Although there are many materials that we can include within this style, the truth is that wood is perhaps the most used. It makes sense since it's a farmhouse-inspired type of decor. Where to use the wood and the rest of materials on furniture, walls and floors. In the living room, sofa covers in a room where there are many old elements. With wood in dark colors, you can highlight the sofas with white covers. The contrast gives it a special touch and allows you to enjoy the open space to the dining room. Country cottage dining room. The wood in the dining room and chairs, with a fine finish, is still in high demand in the cottage style for its good quality. The space is very well lit and gives the opportunity to add vintage furniture. In the kitchen, copper items. You cannot deny the warmth of this kitchen where the combination of wood and copper items are found everywhere. In the copper articles, you can notice the pots, kitchen pots, trays, spoons, etc. In the wood, the rustic auxiliary table in the center and the floor stand out. In the bathroom, patterns for the cottage style. If you want to take the style to another level, the prints of the wall or upholstery add that touch of country romanticism. It can be placed on a single wall and contrast with simple furniture without many ornaments. In the bedroom, simplicity is sought with touches of personality in the vintage pieces, highlighting the bed.